So the logo looks like this at the end of the whole design process. So we will now compare it to the before, what the company is currently using. You find out that there are so many loopholes and so many areas to be corrected for the whole logo and the visual identity for Cola Coffee. First of all, you see that the logo mark, this whole thing here, it's an image of a tree in front of a sunset, and it's like a stock image which was just vectorized. So it will not really scale down when you're reducing it to fit on website favicons or those little logos you find on websites and other placements. Then you also see that the fonts which they used here is a brush style fonts. It makes the brand to look more playful and carefree, which is not what the brand wants to really go for. So when you look at the whole thing which they had going on as their logo here, it is not really what gives off the mature and quality vibe which the business is trying to portray. So we'll try to use the same elements that they have here but make it better. So you can see the before, you can see the after. What we did was we just took the tree. So when you go on the website, you see that the tree here that they use in the logo, it makes sense because the coffee is being grown under the shade of the cola trees. That is why they have the name Cola Coffee. So I decided to maintain the tree for the logo mark but made it simple and easily recognizable to anybody who sees it. Now it is very clean and simple. The next thing I did was to touch the color palette. If you look before, what they had going on was yellow, red, black and white, and this yellow here, it looks more of a sunset, which is not really exactly when coffee is being drank, and the red too, it kind of does not look like it is meant to be there. So we'll just try to form something out of these colors. So we'll have coffee brown, we'll have an energetic orange, and we'll have black and white as the main colors to be able to keep a certain minimalistic and simple vibe, which makes the brand feel more mature. So now you can see the full logo suit in action, beginning from the logo mark in its simplest format. Now the brand can use this as social media icons, as the website favicons and other small placements, and you can see other variations. Then the next thing to touch now will be the packaging. When you look at the before packaging, it's not really giving up the vibe out. You have mature, quality, simple. Now when you look at the newer version that has been made from the new identity, it feels more mature and simple and very minimalistic.